Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss the common reasons for clicking noises on a Peloton bike and the possible solutions to fix the issues. The following are the common reasons for clicking noises on a Peloton bike: loose cleats in your bike shoes, loose and clogged pedals, or damaged flywheel bearings. Now, let's look at the best solutions to fix the issue. Tighten the cleats in your bike shoes. To do this, remove your shoes from the pedals and tighten the nuts securing the cleats. Make sure to tighten them uniformly to guarantee correct alignment. Tighten and clean the pedals. Fasten the pedal nuts to get rid of the clicking sounds. You can also fix this problem by cleaning the pedals. Use a clean piece of cloth to get rid of any dirt or debris. Apply grease to the pedals and spin the pedals to make sure that the grease is evenly distributed. Replacing the flywheel bearings. Unplug the bike from the source of power and take off the flywheel cover. Check to see if the flywheel bearings appear to be worn out. If the flywheel bearings are worn out, you must get new flywheel bearings from Peloton and have an expert install them. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.